What's up everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And if you realize, behind each of my wheel there is a weird piece of something there. And if you wonder, that thing is called a Mudflap. I installed it myself. It's a DIY project because Proton doesn't have that piece from the factory. So I decided to do it myself, and today I'm going to show you how I do it. By the way, I didn't record how I do it on the day I doing it. So I'm going to talk about how I do it and guide you through in this video. So basically how the thing work is, when your tire is spinning, there will be a mud or dirt coming up from the tire, and if you don't have the mud flap, the side of the body will be very dirty from the dirt coming off from the ground, something like this one. And you find these pieces will be very dirty, and it block off all the muds and the dirt from spraying to your car. First you need some tool and material. The total cost of material is about 55 ringgit, and I'll list all the thing in the description below. And first you need to cut the carton box following the cutting board that you are going to do as a flap, and then you're going to put it on the mud guard, and you try to mark and cut the area you need to cut out, and then you transfer the drawing into the actual cutting board, and then you cut it little by little until you get a shape that you wanted. And for the real one, is the same process except the shape will be different. After you cut everything, you need to paint it. I use a spray can, and you need to paint it very well so that things like this won't happen. After you paint it everything, you need to attach it to the mudguard, and you can actually drill a hole and use the longer panel clip to clip it with your mudguard, but I use a different way, which is 3M tape. Original real 3M tape, not a fake one, because it is a tape that people use to stick the side skirt and the spoiler. There's one thing to note is the curve on the mudguard itself is quite hard to catch where you can stick the 3M tape, so you have to experiment with it and stick it very well, like this one. So there you have it. It's a simple guide on how to DIY a mud flap. I hope you find this video informative, and by the way, doing the mud flap is a one-day job, so you can have a free Saturday or Sunday. You buy some stuff and you are good to go to build your own. And thanks for watching, and see you again in the next video next week.